Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 23rd, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. We're going to talk about basic attention token paired against the dollar. Before I get started in that, definitely want to remind you all to go ahead and continue to subscribe to our channel because our purpose is to show you our price forecast movements without causing you any confusion. Everyone else is giving you confusion on a mass scale by placing numerous indicators on their charts. And on top of that, we're giving you our expectations of what we expect the market to do before it actually does it. Check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to participate with all of our other elite members who are in the know before the market actually moves in a certain direction. Now, the last time we did our video was on June 14, 2019, and the question that the thumbnail has posed to you all is why basic attention token is ready for a breakout. Okay, we did our video for basic attention token on the 14th of June, of which you all can tell that we expected the market to move to the downside. All right, when I move over to a daily time frame for basic attention token, we did our video right here on the 14th of June expecting the market to continue to move to the downside, and you can see right here on yesterday the market in basic attention token has achieved our simulated price target objective of about 11% profit. All right, so again, we're showing you indications and proof that you're able to determine where prices are likely to go before it actually happens. 11% right there in the market for basic attention token. So with us achieving that goal, let's go ahead and get rid of that, and we're going to give you our expectations as to whether or not, and give you indications why basic attention token may be ready for a breakout. Okay, switching back over to a weekly time frame for basic attention token, you can tell that this market is still trading within our descending triangle. A lot of people may see that as an indication of weakness, but considering the recent market action for basic attention token, it is showing its endeavor to try to continue to move higher in price. I say that because looking on the weekly time frame, this current weekly bar has came and touched 25 cents as support, and looking here in the background of this chart, that has happened numerous times. Again, the market also broke a support area at around 30 cents too, but again, we're closing well off of those support areas on this current weekly bar. That tells us that the market in basic attention token continues to try to show us its eagerness to continue to move to the upside. Looking right here on the daily time frame, once again, we are trading closer to this resistance line than we are towards support. The market continues to show us that it's trying to break out of this descending triangle to the upside. That's another indication. Again, the 3-hour chart in the market for basic attention token, you can tell that the market is trying to make higher lows in the market. Another indication that this market is trying to break out of this descending triangle. So with those things mentioned, we're going to expect basic attention token to move higher in price. Now the question is going to come, how high in the market will basic attention token go? When you look here in the background of this chart, a pretty good resistance area is going to be around 36 cents. Okay, because the market on numerous days has had a problem breaking out above that number. Okay, so that's what we're going to place on our chart real quick. Now we're going to hold 30 cents, a little bit lower than that, needs to be maintained as support in the market for basic attention token in order for us to see a continuation of movement higher. Okay, I'm going to switch it to a weekly time frame to see if there's any other resistance points in the market that basic attention token will come across, and it's literally like they're around 40 cents. Okay, so we have 35 cents as a near-term resistance area, and then 40 cents will be the next area. Okay, so we're going to hold this area right here around 40 cents, but understand that we would TP the market at 35 cents. So let's see how much that would be. So I'll be about 5.5%. Okay, so we're telling you now that there is a resistance area at 35 cents. We would TP the market there, would profit about 5.5 cents movement. But if the market continues to give us a lot of strength, in the long term, it wouldn't be a problem for basic attention token to hit that 40-cent price in the long term. Okay, so this is our expectation in the market now for basic attention token. I definitely want to put this in perspective, because when you look at it on the weekly, this currency is just holding consolidational trading right there between 45 cents all the way back down to 15. Okay, I still expect though that the market in basic attention token is going to try to move to the upside in price. 35 cents is a resistance area, and then the next one will be around 40. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind as we continue to see this currency pair trade in the long term. But it is our expectation to try to see some continual movement higher in price, as long as we trade above 30 cents. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and don't forget, hit that bell notification to become notified when we upload this, simply to see, simply to understand price forecast. Make sure y'all maintain profitability, and I will see you all at our website, HueFinancial.com.